My name is Sven Emil Jacobsen, and I'm excited today to share some of my own internal and external journey and be here in beautiful West Wales asking questions like, could nature and social prescription, nature well-being be the more holistic way of viewing health as a whole system where mental and emotional and physical well-being are tied together? These areas I have been exploring for the last couple of years in my own personal journey, and I'm excited to share some of the findings that I've had and some of the people that I've met on this extraordinary journey. Come with me. What I've many times been thinking is like, where is the common sense department? It's like, isn't it obvious that to be healthy we need many things? We need like a holistic kind of approach. So we can't just think, oh, it's taken somebody 20 years to get depressed, so let's give him a pill and then he's not depressed anymore. That sound slightly illogical? But I do feel it's very important that we begin to ask good questions. It's like, how would our societies and local communities transform if we realize that we're all connected and that we all have a responsibility for each other and for nature and for creating like a future? Because with all the problems with the environment, with the crisis that's going on, it's like we do need to unify and we need to connect and we need to kind of come back to sanity, I would say, as a culture. I have a very good friend called Margaret, and she had a daughter, Charlotte, who sadly committed suicide. And Margaret was always telling me how much I reminded her of Charlotte, and that was one of the reasons that I sought help. Anyway, I remember visiting my friend Margaret, and we were watching this documentary called The Pillless Doctor, and he was prescribing cold water swimming for people with depression, etc. And I've always kind of suffered from existential depression and gloom. Traditionally, winter's always been really difficult for me, so it was kind of coming into November, and I saw a social media ad for wild swimming with Wild Swim Wales and Sue Christopher. Then I got on this 6-week course where we'd go every week, and it was really quite amazing. And so I'd done quite a lot with Sue, also going for other courses with her, cave swimming, and then I've joined Celtic Deep with their free diving. I've just done a lot of courses, TYF as well, done paddleboarding and kayaking, and I personally find every time I go in the sea or I'm close to the sea with, you know, the negative ions, etc., I just feel like it's a natural reset and I just feel very happy. Just being in the cold is just really good for my nervous system. It feels like a reset. I feel it's essential for human beings to remember that we are nature and we're part of nature. I feel it's kind of evidence-based research that the more unhappy we kind of become, the more disconnected we are from being natural, so to speak. So coming out here in nature and being in nature just makes me feel alive. I really like being part of this nature well-being network and working towards like a paradigm shift in thinking and investing more in preventing, investing in people's emotional well-being, creating structures for people to commune and have a sense of togetherness, because when we are working together in teams, etc., we can do so much more. Thank you for coming on this exciting journey with me. I have been so enthusiastic to share some of my magical spots here in West Wales. The majestic Pembrokeshire coastline, so beautiful. I feel in awe, and there's a sense of communion and connection here. I would like to continue sharing clips of and sharing what I'm doing and what I'm enthusiastic about in nature wellness and social prescription. I hope you have found this thought-provoking and interesting and want to continue to come on the journey with us when we're exploring with other people and the network. I be Sven, this is the end. To be continued.